Hi all. Now we are going to have a continuation of last class, that is the general constraints in design of medical instrumentation system. So in last class we covered the major five general constraints, that is inaccessibility of signal sources, variability of physiological parameters, interference among physiological system, transducer interference problem, and a higher possibility of artifacts. The continuation of this, we will have other set of general constraint that we are going to discuss in today class. The first general constraint in today class we are going to say is safe level of applied energy. What does it mean? In the sense, there are certain medical device in the hospitals, it's needed to apply any some external energy to the body. As a result, we will have some output to visualize, for example, to visualize any internal organs or to have any valuable information of any physiological signals and so on. So in that case, for example, if you take ultrasound, there you have to apply ultrasonic energy in order to visualize internal organs of the body. For example, if you take x-rays, where you have to apply x-ray radiation into the body in order to visualize the bony structure of the body, right? So these type of when we are this type of energy, if we are using, in the sense that should be into the safer levels. Okay, so the whatever external energy when we are applying to our body, that should have some safer level, so that that should not have any other side effects. Okay, so that we have to be taken into account when we are using or when we are using any particular external energy for our medical device to record any data like that. Okay, second one is patient safety consideration. Patient safety consideration is other important thing when we are coming into medical device aspect. The thing is that here the medical device, here we are going to use it for patient. So we have a direct contact with the patient on all under direct contact with the patient with the device. So in that case, if there is any malfunctionality on the medical device, it should affect the patient, it will affect the patient, right? So in that case, we have to look into things that what are the possible ways to isolate the patient. So even if you have any malfunctionality in the medical device, will not or the no way will affect the patient. Okay, so in that aspect also we have to look and we have to work on it while developing the medical device. Okay, so that is the thing. Here they have listed as a patient safety consideration. Third one is reliability aspects. Reliability aspects, you know what is the meaning of reliability? So reliability is that at any circumstance, at any condition, or there are any environmental factors, the device supposed to work it with its normal range. So it will not influence any external factors, so that the the output given by the medical device will not be affected. So it have very good reliability characteristics, so that wherever we go, wherever we use the medical device should give the real accurate data. Okay, so in that aspects we have to design a medical device in very good reliability characteristics. Second one is human factor consideration. This thing is again found as a major problem when we sell the market, when we sell the product in the market. So whatever technology or whatever things we have made in our medical device, if unless until the people don't know how to operate this medical device, again it will everything goes wrong. The real outcome of that medical device will not be get benefited. Okay, the thing is, here also we have to consider how we have to train the people, whether the device is being used by doctors or the patient or nurse, who the user have to be trained in such a way to operate that medical device, so that the real outcome of the medical device will be taken by the people, so the people will be get benefited. Okay, so the training skill will be needed. Our part will not get over once once the medical device has been designed, got approval, and came into market. After, we have to train the people to use it full-fledged, so that the real outcome of the medical device will reach to the people, right? So that is again one of the only considers one of the challenges faced by the people, medical device designer. Third one is government regulation. So if you take any thing, any device or any component, any product you have, if you like to make or design, everything we have to compliance with some regulation or standards, so that only it will it will get approval and we can make our product ready to market sale. Okay, so this is not only for a normal component or products. Even we have so strict vigilant regulation and standards for we even for we have for medical device, because again I'm saying the medical device is not something other electronic device or non here we are measuring real people physiological parameters, human bodies data we are handling with that. So we have to be very conscious. We need to have so many protocols, we have to apply so many privacy things to bring our product into the market. So in that case we have to like clear so many ethical clearance, since we are using this product on patient life. We have to do so many set of testing clinical trials and pass so many regulatory process, and then only we have to get approval of that product to come into the market. Okay, so the clearing this government regulation and getting approval from government is again found as a major task, or found as a major challenges for designers who making medical device. Okay, so these are the on the whole these are the major general constraints. If you take any medical device in the world, if you are developing if you want to develop or it's been developed already, these are the factors they might have faced while devising, or we will also face when we will develop. Okay, so while developing before getting into design part, we have to think in all these aspects, and we have to come up with beautiful solution, so that only without any discomfort or difficulty we can make the product in the market. Okay, thank you.